Hey everybody, this is Jay, and this is my personal channel, Astrogator. I'm doing a series of product reviews, and today I'm doing one on Snee-kee. This is an STP device. I think it's a really great STP, and I'm going to say give the pros first and the cons. Well, they're not really cons, in a way. This is this, and the strengths are also the weaknesses, if you get my drift. Okay. This is my favorite one for the purposes, and I'm talking about here. This is the size. It's 7.5 by 2.5 at the widest part. 7.5 is that way. It fits in my jeans. There's maybe a little bit showing, like about that much. Probably in adult jeans they would work, but I'm a little boy in my size anyway. Actually, it works because no one would guess what that was. This is not as quite as easy as the Pee-style, which I reviewed before. However, I don't think the Pee-style is really that useful for us trans guys. Unless you want to use it around the house, but for the STP impaired, this is pretty easy. And I need more practice. However, one thing I did not have to do is go in the shower. Never been that inaccurate with it, let's just say. You use it and then you shake it off. You can shake it off in place, which is handy. This is a very responsive and trans-friendly company. I talk about it like they're we, but there may be just one person. Queer-owned, which I like. And like the website is all trans-friendly. The directions to use are trans-friendly, so I think that's just awesome. Most of them you go to and there's those, like, you know, and they're all pink and everything, and you have to work to find another color. They made this product for trans guys. So, anyway. Another thing, you see this. I made a review on Susans.com, and I mentioned that, and they said, well, you can actually get it. You can ask us not to stamp it. They also stamp the envelope that it comes in. I didn't have a problem with that, but if you have nosy, or you are not comfortable with getting a Pee-style or Pee-zee, you can say don't put that on there. They're awesome. I mean, I just think they're great. You could use this at a urinal. I would say the kind with dividers. I know somebody who just used it with a bunch of guys. I don't know if they knew he was trans though. But I think it's doable. The color would help. This is very neutral. This is the gray. They come in like neutral kind of colors. Black. There's not really neutral, but dark colors kind of. Black, dark blue or something, or green. I'm not sure. There's a kind of an orangish, which might be something to try, and like a burgundy or something. That might work if you're, say, African American or something. That might work for you. Anyway, I'm not saying you're burgundy, but just that it's a darker tone. But they are trying to get more people colors, but they haven't been able to. Let's just say that. I think they've had trouble with that. Okay, now for strengths, are the same the weaknesses. Okay, so this is not going to last forever. Since it has the ability to fold, it has the ability to wear on the fold. Since it's flexible and, you know, it's just not as durable. They say to replace it after a year. I know somebody who had his for 3 years, but he wasn't using it every day. Colors, I mentioned the colors. I stay wet. I think it's because it's not silicone. But the advantage is it's not silicone and it doesn't go, ooh, you know, however silicone goes, you know, it's very flexible. I think it's easier when it's sturdier like that. You could shake it off, not as well as silicone. Be sure to dry it. You know, shake it enough to dry it. You could shake it in place, but I need like what I've tried to train myself to do, grab a piece of TP, you know, get me and get the inside. And if you don't get it a little bit not leaky on the inside, you're going to leak in your pocket too. My short review is price to ratio is 4 stars. This is an STP for under $20. That's going to last you maybe a year. Ease of use is 4. I put the P style at 5, and so I'm putting this at 4. Good for the STP impaired. Ability to hide, 4. Probably, I know, I'm going to say 5. This is obviously a strength of this one. You could use it at the urinal, but be safe, my brothers. Thanks very much for watching. Take a look at me at the other, you know, my other videos, and at It's a Man's World FTM1, where I'm Thursday Guy. Thanks. Bye.